the most common PFAS that dominates is PFOS, PFHXS and PFOA. This is a study from the Swedish population showing that PFOS is about 1/3 of the PFAS you will find in the blood. You will also find PFHXS and PFOA. But also, looking at if you use non-target screening, where you look for PFAS that is there but you cannot really identify them, you will see that the majority in women, it was 60% of the organic fluoride you find in the blood is unknown. And it's similar in males. So basically you have a cocktail of PFAS in the blood and we cannot exactly tell which all of them are. There are probably some intermediates in the big degradation schemes that are shown. But it means also if you measure the most common PFAS, you will underestimate the total amount of PFAS that the person has in their blood. About today, and what is good to know is often you divide PFAS into the precursors and the end substances, the ones that they degrade to. And often the terminology of an arrow is used, and where you view the degradation product as the arrowhead. And among the precursors you have different classes of chemicals. You have fluorotelemers, you have side chain fluorinated polymers, and so on. And these ones can be transformed, and this transformation is accelerated by biological degradation or a chemical oxidation.